Hello dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Hope well. Welcome to online class, North Bend School and College, Pabna. Here I am Asma binte Amin, Senior Teacher, North Bend School and College, Pabna. Students of class 7, I am here for you with Science, Chapter 7, Part 5. Our today's topic is merits, limitation and use of non-renewable energy, searching of alternative source of energy and its effect and cost. Non-renewable energy means if we use the kind of energy once from a source, we cannot produce more energy from that source. Basically, this is natural resource which we cannot produce more than once. Example, coals, oil, natural gas, nuclear energy like uranium, etc. Demerits of non-renewable energy are the energy is non-renewable and finished frequently. It pollutes environment at large scale. Carbon dioxide spread out by its burning that causes global warming. Here is some example of non-renewable energy. Now we will learn about the use and crisis of energy. More energy is required to meet the demand of increasing population. Developing countries used huge energy for construction purpose and vehicle maintenance. To learn more, go to the next slide. Now, more use and crisis of energy. For luxurious and better living, energy deficiency is using of radio, television, VCR, AC and so on at large scale. Energy is being used largely for business, communication and other activities. Searching of alternative source of energy বা শক্তির বিকল্প উৎসের সন্ধানে. Natural energy like oil, gas, coal, electricity is being used continuously till now and thus going to be finished. প্রাকৃতিক শক্তির মধ্যে তেল, গ্যাস, কয়লা প্রভৃতি অবিরত ব্যবহারের ফলে নিঃশেষ হয়ে যাচ্ছে. Though atomic energy is coming out as potential source, its initial costing is high. There are uncertainty and risk in case of its supply. পারমাণবিক শক্তি সম্ভাবনাময় উৎস হিসেবে আবির্ভূত হলেও এর প্রারম্ভিক খরচ বেশি। শক্তি সরবরাহেও রয়েছে অনিশ্চয়তা ও বিপদের ঝুঁকি। Considering all these issues, we are looking for alternative energy source continuously. Scientists have already invented biogas technology. They are successful in case of solar energy use, even partially. Solar energy, ocean flow, and wind energy are also individually found as energy source. Here is some example of non-renewable energy. Natural gas is our priceless asset, but this energy is not renewable. Besides this, wood is mostly used for cooking. This is not only destroys forest resource, but also makes disaster for our environment. Alternative energy source. If biogas can be produced, we get electricity for fuel, light, run the TV in rural areas. If this technology is adopted, the pressure on natural forest resource will be reduced. Thus, environmental balance can be maintained. We can produce more crops by saving land fertility. After all, we can keep beautiful and clean environment for our next generation. So, necessity of adopting, developing and taking care of biogas technology is very important. Biogas প্রযুক্তি অবলম্বন, সম্প্রসারণ এবং সংরক্ষণের প্রয়োজনীয়তা অপরিসীম. Now, the effect of energy in our life and its cost-effective use. To create mind setup to consider energy as a whole rather than personal asset. Radio, television, light, air condition should be switched on only when necessary. Otherwise, should keep switched off. More energy is needed for defected vehicle or machine, so it is important to maintain the machines properly. We should not run the engine of vehicles without any reason or necessity. Energy conservation or energy saving decrease our personal expenditure. Evaluation. Which one is the source of non-renewable energy? Air, flow of water, solar energy, coal? Answer it in my comment box. Here is your homework. Mention the reasons of energy crisis বা শক্তির সংকট সৃষ্টির কারণগুলো উল্লেখ করো। Thank you dear students. That's all about the use of energy. See you in the next class with new topics. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.